Well, I'm bored, so I'm taking my muffler off. Alright, so I broke one of the bolts already. There's only 2 bolts holding the muffler on. The second one, I'm going to have to drop the skid plate on one side. Hopefully you can see that. Those 2 bolts holding the muffler on. So I'm going to drop the skid plate, those 2 bolts. Bolt's back in there. No. Hell, that bolt back there. Screw it. Alright. So after me running around for the past 30 minutes, gather up all my tools, I'm ready to proceed. I think. What's wrong with that one? The bolt that holds my skid plate in is stripped out. I could have done it. I don't know. Anyways, so I need to go get some bigger torque bits and hopefully back it out. I have a spare bolt I can throw in there. Nothing ever goes as planned, no matter how easy anything is. So I found the right one. Does anybody know why the hell they do that? Do it that way? Now I gotta find something to dig this damn thing out with. Alright, let's try this thing again. I was gonna replace that bolt, but kind of feeling lazy now. Off already? Ain't no way. Oh shit, it is. Well, I don't know where all the oil goes. This is like trying to work with the lint pecker. Doesn't work too good. Whew. Bolts are free. That's done. I gotta do the hangers and then I can pull it out. So after an hour of cussing off camera, I was able to get it off. Now it's time for the startup. Sounds pretty good. Well, let's go for a spin. I gotta clean everything up first, and then we can take it for a spin. Well, I got the shop and everything cleaned up. All the tools are put away. A little dirty. I'm on the main highway now. It's a little loud. Sounds good. Sounds really good. A little Drove normal, so that's good. A little loud. We'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not. I'll drive it around for a little while until someone gets pissed off, I guess, and then we'll see. I already know what kind of new system I was gonna get. So, well, anyways, hope you liked the video. Catch you on the next video. All that stuff. Come back now.